Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Michelle, and on my channel I upload new videos about luxury, planning, and travel. So if those are some things that interest you, please be sure to consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every single week. So today I do have an unboxing video, and this is something that I got gifted from the line, and this is a new planner company, and on their website they write they are a premium stationery brand that offers minimal and functional planner inserts, printable inserts, and planner accessories. And this company is actually inspired by women's lives and needs, and their mission is to support every woman in living a well-balanced life, which I am totally here for. So as you guys know, I do have a Louis Vuitton Desk Agenda cover, and inside I do have a half-letter disc-bound planner, and so I wanted to go ahead and share the different inserts that I received. Again, these are all minimal and functional, which is the style I am going for in my planner. So right off the bat, these were literally love at first sight, and please note that these were gifted to me, but all of these are my own opinions and first impressions, and there are 5 different kinds, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go and unbox her. So here is the package that it comes in. It comes in a white cardboard box with their logo right over here that says The Line. And so when you open it up, the planner inserts come inside this tissue paper right over here. That did look a lot nicer when I first opened it, but here it is. It has a little sticker over here that says The Line. And then some of the first things that I did see was this cute little note card that says, "Michelle, we hope you enjoy your new inserts. The goals bundle is my favorite. I hope you find it useful." And then right over here are some 2021 monthly journal cards, and these are already making me so excited for 2021. So when I open it up a little bit further, here we have the classic undated daily planner inserts. We also have the classic undated weekly planner inserts. I also have here the goals planner bundle inserts, the classic to-do list planner inserts, and lastly I have here the lined notes planner inserts. And so now that you see all of the different planner inserts that I have right over here, let me go ahead and actually go through one by one to kind of talk to you about my first impressions about each and every one of these planner inserts. So first I have here the classic undated daily planner inserts, and honestly these ones are like a hybrid of everything I love about the cloth and paper and Infinite Lotus daily planner inserts. I love how these ones have a priority section with the top 3 priorities. I love how this one has a to-do list that I can break up into personally and for work. I also love how there's a little note section right over here, but the one thing that I do like about the most is it has a schedule section right over here that goes from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. and that there are 2 lines per hour so that I can have appointments on the half hour. Let me go ahead and quickly show you what the cloth and paper ones look like, and also the Infinite Lotus, so you can kind of get an idea of how similar they are, but also how they are the perfect hybrid between the two. So here I have the cloth and paper and also the Infinite Lotus daily planner inserts, and as you can see, the cloth and paper ones have the 2 lines per hour. The Infinite Lotus only has the one line per hour. The to-do list on the cloth and paper one isn't that long, but the priority section is pretty large. And also over here, this one has a really large note section, a little to-do section, and priority section right over here. But what I mean by like this one is the perfect hybrid is that I love the 2 lines per hour. I love how it just has a section for 3 priorities and a medium size to-do list that is just enough space for me to go ahead and split it between personal and for work. And then also it has this little note section if I want to go ahead and track any type of notes for the day, like my expenses or any appointments that I have coming up. So actually, let me go ahead and open this up so I can feel the paper. So I also read that all of these inserts that I'm about to mention are printed on 32-pound premium high brightness paper, acid-free and FSC certified, and also made in Canada. I love how the paper is so smooth and actually not too thick. Sometimes I feel like cloth and paper, it can be a little bit too thick, which makes my planner, even though I do like it chunky, it makes my planner chunky really fast. So as you can see, I've been using cloth and paper recently, and all of these ones right over here are just from daily inserts, as you can see here. So next I do have the classic Undated weekly planner inserts, and you guys know that I love the Infinite Lotus weekly overview inserts and that I like to use stickers with them, and I can definitely see myself doing the same thing with these inserts. And I know these ones look very similar to the Infinite Lotus ones, but in comparing the two, the Infinite Lotus ones have 22 check boxes under the to-do list, and this one has 15, and honestly sometimes 22 can be too much for me sometimes, so I think that these ones provide a great in-between. Let me actually show you the Infinite Lotus ones as well. So here are the Infinite Lotus ones, and here are the lines. Let me actually open this one up. So here are the ones from Infinite Lotus, and then here are the ones from the line, and so here is a side-by-side comparison of the two. So next I do have the Goals Planner Bundle Inserts. First it comes with a very nice quote title page that says, "It's good to have an end to journey toward, but it's the journey that matters in the end," by Ernest Hemingway. And so let me go ahead and open this one up. So it has the title page right over here. It also has a goal planner, identifying your values, visualize your best life, setting priorities, writing a goal, and also sticking with it. And honestly, I think this is an awesome bundle for those who really want to focus on their goals and are just not sure where to start. I think it's really great how it walks you through how to set goals and the different kind of goals there are. And I'll be honest, setting goals can be very exciting, but even very intimidating. So I just love how this breaks it down for you. Most of the inserts have note paper here on the back for extra note taking, and then there's also a reflection page and also detaching from the outcome. Super excited to use these. So next I do have the classic to-do list planner inserts, and I love this to-do list, and I love how there are 3 different priority levels / sections. There's a must-do section right over here, a to-do section, and a nice to-do section, because you know, there are those things that we want to do. It'd be nice to do them, but if we can get to them, then that'd be great. So I think these ones were meant to be for daily use, but I do think that these would be great for the entire week as well. Let me take it out so I can show you. I just love the paper. It's so smooth. And so here it is. So next I do have the lined notes planner inserts, which are perfect for productivity planning and for note taking. I love these for taking notes when watching webinars and also planning YouTube content. I really like how the lines on these ones aren't too thin and also not too wide, as you can see here. Literally, they are like the perfect size. And let me take this one out too so you can see it as well. And honestly, I can never have too much lined paper. It's the one thing that I go through the quickest in my planner, and this one is just like the perfect size for taking notes, because sometimes like lines can be too thin or too thick, but again, like this one's like the perfect in between. And so lastly, I do have these 2021 monthly journal cards, and these are a set of 12, of course. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, here. And so these are a set of 12, of course. They go from January 21 to December 2021, as you can see here. And these are printed on a 65-pound bright white cardstock, and these are already making me so excited for 2021. So if you are interested in any of these planner inserts or accessories, I do have a code for the line that can get you 10% off in the shop, and it's Michelle10. And they have inserts available in A5 and half letter, and they will soon be expanding their size range to include personal and pocket, as well as bringing in accessories. So yeah, if you are looking for some new planner inserts, a lot of these are like the perfect hybrid between cloth and paper and also infinite lotus. So I'm really super happy to have these planner inserts. Thank you again so much, Reza, for sending these over to me as a gift. I can't wait to start using them in my planner. I will definitely keep all of you guys up to date on how I use them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!